What's going on, good people? Welcome to Eagle IFX, and in today's video we are looking at focus and doing a recap on our previous based on our previous videos, the focus that I gave, and to see how the market actually played out. Guys, this is super powerful and amazing. If you take advantage of this focus and add it to your watch list and watch out these things, I promise you, you are going to make money out of it. So thank you so much for your love, guys. Keep liking, keep subscribing. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out on our future videos. So let's start with the volatility 75 index. So this pair we are actually looking out for selling opportunities. All right, so I say that if this market comes over here to this level over here, then it gives us a clean double top, then we are able to massively now sell to the downside, because remember, we are actually just looking to see if this market could actually play all the way to this low over here. But now what happened? You can see this is a very clean structure. This is an impulse move, correction, and then continuation. All right, beautiful and amazing. So look at this, look at this, powerful. So you can see it has actually played out very well. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame and look at why now this was a very good opportunity. So you can see the structure over here, and like I had said, this market had actually given us a clean setup. So what happened when this market got here? Why it was a reason for us taking this sell? So let's delete that for now. Look at this. So this market gave us this hover over here, right? So it never came back over here to come and give us this double top for us to sell to the downside, but it actually gave us this hover, which is a very beautiful structure and one of our go-to type of structure. So let me go to the 15 minutes time frame and show you, which was very clear. I mean, this was super clean. So you can see that this market gave us this. All right, so once we clone that and bring here, and then look at that, beautiful. I mean, I don't even want to go to 5 minutes time frame, but you can see that we had a touch over here. Okay, we had one touch over here, we had another touch over here, then we had another. So we had a 3 touch confirmation, which is what you call our multi-touch confirmation. So which means that this was a clean setup that you could have actually entered, place your stop loss. This is actually a risk entry. You could have just entered somewhere around here, maybe once this candlestick closes, or maybe somewhere around there, then maybe just place your stop loss somewhere above over there, and this could have this was massively this could have given you a massive a clean 17%. All right, so let's say maybe you are you are being preserved. All right, so you wanted to see a breakout. Maybe you place your sell stop over here. Let's say you say that, look, I want to see this market breaking out this level, then I'll be interested. So let's say you place your sell stop over there. Of course, your stop loss now is going to be, so this is a reduced risk entry. All right, so you place your stop loss somewhere just above this high over here. All right, and then once this market breaks out of that level, then it triggers you to there, then it triggers you to the downside. That one also played out massively. Of course, you could have made a clean 5%. You can see that what happened, this market broke out of here. So the market, there's a breakout and a retest, of which also you could have entered on this retest, came back maybe to give us a retest on this level over here, of which you could have still scaled in. You can see there's a flag over there, but you can see our stop loss was safe, and then boom, the market just played out like that powerfully. So you can see this is a clean structure, and something that you can actually maximize on and take advantage and trade all these things as you see them very clear. Now what is happening, you can see the market is still playing around here. It has still not filled this level over here. It might fill or not. This could also act as a structure over here, so you can actually place your sell stop over here and maybe hit this level over here, of which actually don't recommend trading it at the low over there unless you're actually scalping. What you can do is that you can just wait for this maybe market to give you give us a clear structure that now maybe this is an impulse move correction, break and retest, then now we are actually interested in buying it to the upside. You're looking for bigger move. But if you're also looking for small moves like this, you can see that you can actually take advantage of such structures over there. Maybe you can scalp to here, then maybe scalp to complete this level before now you're interested in a bigger move. So that was volatility 75. So let's look at volatility 51s, which is also another setup that we gave. Guys, it actually played out massively, or it did what we had projected is actually what we're looking for and what is happening right now. So you can see this was actually a clean structure over here. So you can see that we had this trend line place over there. So I'd actually say that once this market give us a double bottom over here, then we might be interested in sell. Now if you take this thing to the line chart and bring this here, you can see that already our you can see that the market has given us a clean some sort of like a double bottom over here, which we are looking forward to massively buy this thing to the upside. Now, so what can you do? Of course, I'm looking for buying opportunities. All right, so let me just bring this back here. You're looking for buying opportunities, and I don't think it's wise for you to just chase this market. Like I normally say, you have to relax and allow the market to come and pick you. All right, so let's see what opportunities we have. So you can see that, yeah, you can see a very clean structure that has formed over there. There are two ways to trade this. You could actually wait for it to come here, either place your buy limit or wait for it to come to this level over here and give you a confirmation. Maybe at this time our confirmation is going to be what it's gonna be maybe a clean double bottom and other things. All right, then you can actually enter your market over there, and this could be your first target, which is also we are looking at a clean 6%, then we are looking at 10%, then you are looking at the massive move around 18%. All right, that is one way to look at it. All right, okay, the other way to look at it is this market may decide not to come here to give us this double bottom and move up. What could happen if it breaks this out, right? If it breaks out, oh my god, what's happening? If it breaks out and maybe give us a retest to either this level over here, then we are interested in also buy to the upside. Because one thing you have to remember is that this could actually be, it could give us this could be a structure. It will give us something like this over here, consolidate, breakout and retest. Then we are looking for buying opportunities. But remember also, looking at the higher time frame, you must always be conscious of the higher time frame buyers. Okay, remember, so looking at this, we are looking at this was actually a clean structure over here. This market could come all the way to this level over here or this level over here. It could come all the way, complete our 90% through before we move to the upside. So we want to exercise a lot of caution, especially being interested, coming here, placing your limit. I don't think I would rather want to place a buy limit. What I would like to do is that I want to see how this market, because this market could actually come all the way before it gives me a confirmation. So maybe the best confirmation for buys, if it breaks out and retest, then and maybe give me a confirmation that it's actually moving to the upside, then I can be interested in buys and be targeting these levels all the way to the upside. And yeah, because now you can see that this could act like an impulse move correction, and then continuation. So you want to watch out this level over here and how this pair actually behaves. All right, let's carry on. We are looking at our next pair, which is what? Volatility 75 1S. Beautiful. You remember this, guys? If you watch my video, I said this were actually I said this was an impulse move, though it was quite corrective. This was a correction, another impulse move, and then I said this was a correction. We were actually looking for an impulse move to the downside, and as you can see, it actually played out. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame and see. I mean, this is beautiful and very simple to trade. Okay, you should not be struggling to trade these things. Okay, yeah. So you can see that though it never came all the way to this level, all right, we're actually looking forward to, you could have actually missed this, you know, because waiting for it to come all the way here before it move. That's why the market is not perfect, so don't be looking for perfect things, all right. But as you can see that, of course, I stopped. What I did is that once I see a market break and I see something like it's forming like a flag, I normally don't just want to trade. I normally want to see a clean breakout and retest before I am interested. Otherwise, you can be taking unnecessary losses. All right, you see, like taking a sell here, then the market just goes hit your stop loss and then it goes all the way to your direction. So you want to exercise a lot of caution, especially if you are placing all these limits over here. All right, but you can see no setup, no trade. You can see that even if you had this here as a flag and maybe you had your sell stop over here, you can see that it wasn't actually triggered, and then the market just went up all the way to this level over here and came down. But you can see the overall bias was actually sell, which it played out. And of course, definitely if you go to lower time frames, you can see that you can see how we could have entered this market, and what you can look out for and the opportunities that are presented. And you can see it has actually moved. There are several flags. There's a flag here, there's another flag over here, there's another flag over here. Maybe this one is giving us another flag before it continues to go to the downside. So these are actually several opportunities you can trade on. Let's go to volatility 101S. Right, beautiful. Look at this. I remember I said this thing we are looking for. We're looking, I think, for buying opportunities, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so you can see it actually never played out all the way to this level, right? Sometimes it doesn't complete, but it's fine. You have to take advantage of that. So you can see that there's a clean double bottom over here. Market came down, giving us a triple bottom. There's actually a very strong bullish engulfing here. Over here, it's not wisdom for you to buy here at all. So what you can do is that you can actually go to a lower time frame. And the reason why I'm saying that is because look at this. If I enter your buys here, look, you have to have a very big stop loss. And look at this small move, 1.16, of which you could patiently wait for this market come to this level over here, and then look, from 1% to 6%. And you see this is just a move. Remember, the overall move that you're looking forward is what? You're looking forward to this market playing all the way here, which is a clean 13%. So you don't want to be chasing these things, because this could also be act, you see. And you see these things, they respect support and resistance. You know, that could be a clean double top over there. So this is something that you can scalp and make around 2 to 3%. Yeah, you can see this is something that you can scalp actually and make some clean 3%. But this is scalping, all right? Yeah, this is actually would just be a scalping. But if you are actually interested in big moves and massive pips like this, you're talking about maybe around maybe 1,300 or 13,000 pips, depending on how you want to look at this. Then you want to wait for this market to come all the way over here to buy. Now remember, it might not come all the way here, it might actually just give us a flag like this, then it continues like that. So all these things are things you want to watch out before you make your decisions. All right, let's look at 51s. Did you look at 51s? I'm not sure if you did, but let's just do a recap on 51s. Yeah, we did. Okay, beautiful. So let's go to step index. All right, what's happening on step index? Let's see. So step index, if you start from the daily time frame, yeah, so we can start from the daily time frame and have what we call an eagle's view. All right, remember guys, this is Eagle IFX, so we need to have an eagle's view, a bigger view of the market, to look at the bias of the market, higher time frame bias, and look at where the market is heading, the direction to which the market is heading, before now we can be able to do what? To do now top-down analysis. Then we can come to lower time frames, then look for opportunities over there. Yeah, so you can see, like I had said, this was clean. This was just a clean structure over here with a double top, of course. That's why this market played out, and you can see that actually our 90% is virtually completed, and we have to look at this now. This market could do two things. There are two things. This could come all the way here before now it decides to move to the downside to this level over here. Remember, it has really been consolidating for some time. You can see a lot of consolidation, right? But since we've not broken out this level, then this becomes our what? This becomes our playground and what we are actually interested in. Yeah, what we are interested in. Okay, so let's go to the 4-hour time frame, and you can see that on the 4-hour time frame, yeah, so once we completed this our 90% rule, because this is some sort of like a bigger structure while correct to the upside. So you can see that we've actually completed, market broke out, but there was a very strong bullish candlestick over here. So we want to see how this market plays out to this level over there. All right, because this could still play out all the way here, give us this double bottom before we see a move to the upside. So let's look at the 1-hour time frame. From the 1-hour time frame, you can see, let's take that out. Let's take this one out and work with this low that has been created. So you can see that this is actually, we are coming from this level. All right, have you seen? We are coming from this level over here. We're coming from this double top over here, and by this time, guys, round, you should now be able to be seeing our go-to setups, right? Then we have an impulse move, then we had our fast flag over there. So we are actually looking for this market to actually complete this level before we'll be interested in buying opportunities to the upside. All right, so maybe I'll have a sell bias on this. Okay, let's see if this market could come back to this level and pick us up. Then our stop loss is going to be somewhere around there, and we're looking at a possible 8%. All right, so we want to look at that. Okay, we can actually place another line over there. Okay, let's take this one out and adjust this a little bit, and then we want to see how this actually played out. I don't think it's wisdom for you to do this. Look at that. You see, it reduces to 1% compared to initially, which was what? Which was 8.63%, of which, look, there is this market will just do this, come here, now give us a clean double top before it actually now there the downside. So you see that now we'll have a clean playground, so you can actually leave our tool over there and see how this market is doing. It's gonna play out, of which it might actually not come over there. We'll actually just form something here like this and then continue. No problem. No matter the case, we are actually watching out to see how this market is gonna play out. All right, guys. So maybe as an addition, let me just look at this volatility 101S. This is a very good thing that you can trade if you have a small account. It's not very volatile. Volatility 101S is not very volatile. You can trade even with a $10 account. You can actually trade it. So you can see beautiful. I mean, these things, they move very beautifully. You had an impulse move, correction, another impulse move, another correction, then another flag over here. Then you're moving. Of course, we are looking forward to complete this before now. Maybe we start looking for opportunities to the upside. All right, depending on what the market will give to us, because you can see here, you can see that this is actually the structure that we are working on. So there are also chances that this market could come all the way to this level over there. But you can see that moving with this, we are actually on what? We are actually on a breakout. All right, the market is trying to break out. Perhaps it could come all the way to this level over here before we actually notice something else. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. So you can see that from the 4-hour time frame, yeah, it's not very clear, right? It just moved. It's like we actually missed it here. No problem. Let's look at the 1-hour time frame. So remember, no setup, no trading. All right, if you don't see anything very clear for you to trade, just leave it, because you can see like this one, even if maybe we had placed this one here, okay, then you can see that, and also maybe this one here, you can see that we actually missed this. Not missed, there was this double top over there, then it was followed by what? It was followed by that flag over there, and there was a breakout, and then there was a breakout and retest. Can you see this breakout and retest, and then the market is just moving. So this is not very clear. Yeah, so we want to see something that, a flag or something that we can, so that we can know where to place our stop loss, where to place our take profit and stuff like that. You just want to enter it anyhow. So let's see, maybe if it comes all the way to this level over here, and maybe gives us sort of like a double top, then we could actually be interested in that. Or maybe if it gives us a clear structure that we can be able to see, then we can actually be interested in selling it to the downside. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Keep liking, keep subscribing. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime we post. Let me know which page you'd like me to analyze and everything. This is my focus. Make sure you do your due diligence. This is just my analysis. I could be wrong, so make sure you do the right thing. All right, if you want to join my free Telegram group, the link is on the description below. If you want to join my VIP, you can hit me up. All right, so remember to follow us on Facebook, on Instagram, on Telegram. You can join our free Telegram group, and we'll be so happy to hear from you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. This is Incurred.